Hello YouTube, RobNick66 here, and as you can see here is the Hornby Wrexham Shropshire train, and I'll just show you what it's pulling. Class 67, 1 sleeper coach, 3 Pullmans, 2 old style tanker wagons here, 2 5-plank wagons, box van, another 2 5-plank wagons, brake van, 2 intermodals, one with a steam train on it, the 060, and 2 containers with wood in. Another 2 modern tankers. Intercity Wrexham Shropshire Mark III coach. Standard. Restaurant buffet. First class Wrexham Shropshire. And Mark III DVT. To show you how much of the layout it takes up. Sorry I don't have my video camera, so I don't have it on me. And as you can see, it pulls it with ease. There is 20 wagons and coaches all together on this train. I'm sure there's videos on YouTube of longer trains, heavier trains, but this is all my rolling stock, and to be honest I was quite impressed really, because I thought it would struggle a bit. There is a fair amount of weight on there, and it's pulling it with ease, even at slow speeds. I'm not sure if you can see, but it is moving. Ever so slowly as I've got the controller. The motor's straining, but still it's moving. So yeah, I thought that was quite good really. So thanks for watching.